Every even year, the Bamasaba carry out circumcision, a practice also known as Imbalu, that aims at turning boys into men. However, in respect with different development programs like education, circumcision activities are usually halted for the first 7 months, only allowed for a given period of the year starting August. The 11th of August will mark the official opening of this year's Imbalu circumcision activities, during which 8 candidates will face the knife. Candidates have this Thursday taken part in the first day activities of brewing local alcohol known as Malua. Candidates began the day by fetching water for both brewing Malua, but also mixed the yeast for smearing their bodies. Being at the helm of the ceremony's preparations, the Bamasaba traditional leader, Omukukawa Inzu Masaba, Sir Bobu Mushikori, highlighted the importance of this traditional ceremony, terming it as not only a health practice, but a biblical calling.
Conservative Anglican, and my religion, my bishop, is one of those who loves circumcision. And Catholics, I've had very many friends of mine who are serious, committed Catholics, and they love it. I've seen them on the Muslims.
The Omukukawa Inzu Masaba, Sir Bobu Mushikori, beseeched the Bamasaba people not to get tired of taking part in such activities that are aimed at uniting them. While inspecting the Mtoto Culture site, Bernard Mujasi, the host chairperson, expressed readiness for the district and the Bugisu region as a whole to entertain revelers come Saturday.
When people from outside, like the presidents, come to see it, it gives us a good feeling. We feel good because they are recognizing the importance of this Imbalu. It is so unique that there's nowhere in the world where you find people dance the way we dance.
Instead of Umutoto only to bring the children who are going to be circumcised, we want every clan at least also to participate to circumcise on their courtyard.
It should be appreciated that the Bamasaba people are spread in the eastern districts of Umbale, Sironko, Ududa, Manafa, Bulambuli, and Namisindwa, even some parts of western Kenya. Dokas Kimono, UBC News.